In today's video, I am going to share with you a secret, a really big secret that most of the self-development products, books, or whatever you consume, videos don't talk about. And if you really grasp the idea that I will share with you, it will really influence everything that you do in your life, every goal that you try to achieve. It will be much more smoother for you to do whatever you are aiming to do. And I will explain you everything without holding anything back. So let's dive in. I am filming on nature and with one shoot without any editing, so I will walk and talk with everything that I want to share with you. So you have two minds. Basically it's one mind, but we can schematically divide it on conscious mind and subconscious mind. Most people use conscious mind mostly, and they don't use subconscious mind. That's why everything they try to do, especially big projects, ambition goals and so on, is difficult to do for them. And if it is something that you can relate about, then pay close attention. Now, we have two minds, conscious and subconscious. And most people use conscious. And conscious mind is only 10% of the power you have. And subconscious mind controls the blood flow, the operation of your organs, your body, your organism, and everything that is going on inside of you. Now, with that being said, if you would be able to tap into the power of your subconscious mind and use this 90%, then everything else that you are doing would be much more easier to do. To help you to understand how to do it, I will give you a metaphor. Let's say, imagine that you are a pilot. Your subconscious mind is a pilot. And you are an airplane, a big airplane that can fly high into the sky and do sophisticated things, achieve sophisticated dreams and so on. And your subconscious mind is a pilot. Your conscious mind is a pilot, and your subconscious mind is an engine of your big aircraft, of big powerful aircraft that you have. And aircraft is your life, you, totally you. Now, what most people do is when they face some problems, some difficulties in life, what is happening is their conscious mind, which is a pilot, and the pilot is sitting in comfort of his cabin and driving all the aircraft. The pilot goes out from the aircraft, goes down into the ground, takes a few ropes connected to the airplane and starts to drag it, and drags it with all power. It's so hard to drag all this airplane. It tries to drag all this airplane and it's drives with all this power. And this is what most people do when they try to achieve their dreams and goals, entrepreneurs, creators and so on. So for example, let's say an entrepreneur wants to write a book. Let's say he uses a good way to write it himself, not ChatGPT or something like that. So he would need to put a lot of efforts to it. But there is another way. If he will tap into the power of his subconscious mind and use 90% of the power and energy it has, then it will help him to produce this book, to produce this course, to produce this product, to produce this idea, to produce this business, whatever he wants to do. Because it will be on his side. Instead of being a slave to conscious mind that tries to drag all the plane and process all the information and come with all the ideas and give all the energy. You tap into the power of your subconscious mind that will help you to achieve your dreams much more easy and faster, because it was designed by nature, by God, by universe to help you to do this. Now the question is a good question: how to do it? Because if it sounds simple, but how to do it? And here is the second secret. No, a lot of people don't understand and know about. Subconscious mind is designed, first of all, to protect you. It's designed in the way to protect you from any harm, from bad things happening in your life. It's designed to protect you from the threats. And the biggest threat for many people is not something external people or something like that, but the biggest threat is themselves. Because subconscious mind hides and will not cooperate with you if you are against him. If you are blaming yourself, if you are saying to yourself that I am not good enough, that I will fail, that I tried and failed, and you are blaming yourself, then your subconscious mind will hide. It will hide inside of you and will not go with you. And you will be left only on the power of your conscious mind. That is not so powerful, to be honest, from my experience at least. So what's to do in this case? If you know this, what's to do? And the answer is simple. You need to be a loving owner of your subconscious mind, or in other words, I will disclose totally with you. Subconscious mind in reality is not a mind, at least on my opinion. It's a soul. It's our soul. Each of us has our soul, and our souls are much more powerful than this mind, the thinking mind, because souls, they are connected with the source, they are connected with universe, with God, that is unlimited in knowledge and power, and our souls are part of this power. And when you tap into your power of your subconscious mind, you are tapping into unbelievable power of you. Now, if this subconscious mind, or in other words soul, will hide from you, so what to do? Instead, you need to create an environment for it in such a way that it will be comfortable to be with you in whatever happens with you, whatever happens in your life, whatever good or bad. It knows that everything will be all right and it is safe with you. If you give him an environment and say to yourself, you know what, subconscious mind, I make a pact with you. Whatever I try to do, whatever I try, no matter if it will be success or not, it doesn't matter. I still will love you. I still your dearest friend. I will not let you get down. You can relax and be with myself and totally be open that it will be okay whatever results you will get from your pursuits of your goals. Your subconscious mind needs to know that it is safe, and when it is safe, it will open up. It will give you ideas, it will give you courage, it will give you energy, it will give you plan, It will give you a lot of things. But for that, you need to kill fear. Fear of trying something new. Fear of going outside of your comfort zone. You need to tackle that fear so your subconscious mind will know that it is safe to go outside. And when it goes outside, it's same like you opened up a secret genie that was always inside of you. When your subconscious mind knows that it is safe to be with you, then it opens up. Then it gives you tremendous power, as I said to you. Because it knows that you will not blame yourself for mistakes, for errors. And in this way, you will be having a tremendously powerful force on your side that will help you to achieve your dreams and goals much more faster, easier and smoother. And instead of dragging an airplane with the ropes like this hard, you're doing opposite. You use your conscious mind, 10%, to coordinate 90% of the power that is sleeping inside of you. So wake up this power. You can do it, because everyone can do it, but not everyone uses it. And maybe you can try it, who knows? Maybe I am right, and you can try and see yourself. My name is Alex Zazowski. I create videos about productivity, mindset, deep thinking for creators and entrepreneurs. I'm a computer scientist, I'm an entrepreneur myself, and my mission is to help other people in my space, like creators and entrepreneurs, to thrive, to be confident in their abilities and go to the next levels of performance. You can subscribe to my channel if you like it, and also please, if you want to join my email list, grab 2 free resources in description to this video. The first resource is 15 journaling secrets, how to use power of journaling to create and help you to grow in personal growth. And the second resource is 2 free modules of Conquer Procrastination Adventure. It's a course I created that will help you to navigate procrastination, self-sabotage. There is 14 steps in this adventure. I created it from ground up with powerful tools and toolkits that will help you to navigate excuses and do what is required for you to do with your projects, with your business, with your ambitions, and so nothing can stop you. And this is a powerful resource for you. So subscribe to my channel, get these free resources in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.